You buy a lightening body lotion, they give you vitamin E to pour inside the lightening lotion. Some people say they give them this stretch mark oil to mix inside their lightening body lotion. Those things don't work. You agree with me that you have used those mixtures and you still get green veins, you still get stretch marks, you still, get all those reactions you use. So today we are going to be talking about how to use lightening body lotions as someone with sensitive skin. How to lighten your skin as someone with sensitive skin. I am doing this video because lately if I make a video, one or two people are going to say, oh, can a sensitive skin use this lotion? Can you talk about lightening body lotions for sensitive skin people? Now, there is nothing like lightening body lotion for sensitive skin people. There is nothing like that. A lightening cream is a lightening cream, and if your skin reacts to lightening body lotion, it is going to react to any type of body lotion, because the point is probably your skin does not want to be stretched to that kind of lightening, but there is a way you can go about it and your skin is not going to react to any body lotion you use. So that is what today's video is all about. I'm going to be giving you two methods that you can use or that you can try out on your skin and know the one that actually works best for you. The truth is, a lot of people, their skin cannot accept lightening products, and it's a long explanation for me to do now, which I wouldn't want to go into because a lot of you say, oh, the video is long and all of that. So let's just go straight into how you can use lightening body products as someone with sensitive skin. Anytime you use a lotion that has anything that has to do with lightening, kojic, tranexamic acid, vitamin C, anything, alpha, arbutin, glutathione, once you use it, you start seeing green veins, you start seeing red lines, you start getting sunburn, then this particular video is for you. The method I'm going to be telling you in this video, you can use it for your face and you can use it for your body. Okay, so this is a general rule for anywhere you are having sensitivity on your skin, anytime you use lightening products on your body. So I have some lotions in front of me here. Let me introduce them. This is Dove Invigorating Care. This is Nivea Radiant and Beauty. This is Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. This is Nurture Body Lotion, the cocoa butter, and this is Johnson Baby Moisturizing Body Lotion. Now, I brought these lotions here to actually make this illustration very, very clear to you, because I want, as you watch this video, that particular issue you are having with your skin is going to be sorted out. Okay, but you're going to do me a favor, just hit the like button, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. All right, now method number one, okay, for you to use a lightening body lotion without getting sensitivity, like any type of body lotion, is to use it together with a body and another moisturizer. Now, this method number one now is for people who do not have severe reactions on their skin, like already let's say you know that if you use lightening body lotions, you used to get reactions, and then but now presently it's either you have stopped using lightening lotions or you are using once in a while, but you're already on your skin, you don't already have reactions as much. Okay, now if you are in this category of people, then this first method is something you should try first, and that is where you are going to get a second body lotion. Now, that second body lotion you are going to get is going to be a plain lotion, something like this Johnson Baby Moisturizing Body Lotion. This is a very plain moisturizer. It doesn't contain a lot of ingredients, but it's just moisturizing, it's just hydrating. This particular one that is made in South Africa, this particular one, it's just easily dries into the skin. Now, how you are going to use this particular body lotion? So even if you are someone that used to sweat, like you are after, maybe as you're watching this video, you're like, say this will not make me sweat. No, this particular lotion dries instantly into your skin. Maybe it moisturizes baby's body, but as an adult, if you use it, it's just going to dry. Okay, this particular one made in South Africa, Johnson is made in different countries, but this particular South Africa one dries instantly into your skin when you use it. So the reason why you are going to use this particular body lotion, first apply it on your body. Okay, then you go ahead and then apply your lightening body lotion. The reason why you are going to do this is to create a barrier on your skin. Okay, in as much as this thing I'm telling you might not be scientifically backed, but this is a real life day-to-day method that works for me and people that I have told to use this method. And I've also mentioned it on my channel a couple of times in my old videos, but my new subscribers might not be aware of that because probably you've not seen those videos. Now you are going to apply this on your body, all over your body. Okay, let's say it's your body that is the issue. Then you are going to apply your lightening body lotion, and this should be at night. So whether you're using your lightening body lotion in the night, whether you're using it in the morning, use it with let me just call this a barrier cream. So use it as a barrier cream. Now some people are going to buy body lotions and buy something like this, or maybe even add vitamin E inside. Sometimes you want to buy a body lotion and you tell the person, oh, it's reactor, I tell you to put vitamin E. See, let me tell you for the truth, those things don't work. You buy a lightening body lotion, they give you vitamin E to pour inside the lightening lotion. Some people say they give them anti-stretch mark oil to mix inside their lightening body lotion. Those things don't work. You agree with me that you have used those mixtures and you still get green veins, you still get stretch marks, you still get all those reactions you used to get, and that is because you are not supposed to be mixing anything inside a finished product. These products are finished product. You are not supposed to mix anything inside unless you buy a body lotion that has a body serum, and it is said that you can mix the body serum into the body lotion. That is the only way you can actually mix something. But when the product is finished, it is finished. Any other thing you are adding into that particular product, you are disrupting the formulation, and that formulation has scattered, and therefore it is not going to give you a good result on your skin because you have scattered. From things are made with percentage. This body lotion was made with percentage, as a percentage for water, percentage for vitamin E, percentage for everything. When you now carry something and pour inside, you have scattered everything in that particular lotion. So do not mix anything. Instead, use them step by step. So use this or something similar to this, a body lotion that is very plain. Another option you can use is something like this, okay, but the pink one. Use the pink one. If you use a body lotion, if you use this cocoa butter, this particular one, you pair it with your lightening lotion. This one that is cocoa butter is going to slow down the process of the lightening on your skin, because this particular natural cocoa butter does not brighten the skin. Okay, it does not brighten the skin. Then depending on how your skin is, if you use it, you are going to get darker. Do you understand? So these are things you need to be aware. So the reason why I am telling you to use a very plain body lotion in this procedure is there is a type of lotion, a moisturizer you are going to use to pair with your lightening body lotion. It is going to be nullifying the effect of the lightening ingredients on inside your body lotion, inside your lightening body lotion. Do you get? So you need something that is mild. That is why this is always my best option. Anytime I want to use anything lightening on my skin, I always use Johnson, because Johnson is clear, like it's plain. It's a baby lotion. It is plain. Okay, now because I said baby lotion does not mean you can buy another lightening baby lotion, because there are baby lotions now that are lightening, that have papaya, that have carrots. Those are not the types of baby body lotions I'm talking about. If you use such body lotions, you are still going to get reaction, because you are now even doubling the lightening effect that is going to your skin. So you need to use something plain and something not so overpowering. Okay, just like I said, you can get this, the pink one. The pink one is plain, it is not overpowering, okay, and it doesn't have any active lightening or brightening ingredients in it. It's just going to leave your skin as it is, just moisturize your skin. So this is the step one, and this step, remember, is for people who don't have active skin issues, active green veins, active red lights, active sunburn already. Okay, but you know that you used to have this sensitivity anytime you use anything that has to do with lightning. These are people that are supposed to be using this step one. Second method, this one now is for people who already have active skin issues on their skin. You have green veins, you have stretch marks, or you have sunburn, or you have white dots on your body, okay, due to cream reaction, you already have these things, cream veins, stretch marks everywhere all over your body, but you still do not want to stop using lightening body lotion. I understand, I'm not here to judge anybody, but you still want to use your lightening body lotion to maintain your complexion. Okay, now what you are going to do is, if you use a body lotion like this, it is not going to work for you. Okay, this is not going to work for you because your skin is already tampered with. You need to repair your skin at this point. Okay, you need to repair your skin at this point, so you need something stronger. You need something stronger, and that thing that is stronger, to be honest with you, if you start using it, it might slow down the effect of the lightening you are getting from the cream, but on the long run you are going to get a more healthier skin, which is a skin that is balanced. Your skin is going to be lightened, and your skin is going to be free from every skin irritation. Okay, now when you are in that case, you are going to use a richer body lotion, that is using something like Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. This is a richer body lotion. Whether you are fair skin watching this, whether you are caramel skin, okay, probably not caramel skin, because this particular body lotion for people that want to lighten, yeah. So this particular lotion is going to do your skin a whole lot of good. Even if you don't want to get this one, you can get any lotion that has, sorry, let me get another lotion. So you can get a lotion like this. Now this is Dove Essential Care. Okay, this Dove Essential Care is very, very good when it comes to smoothing the skin, when it comes to healing the skin, and this can be a very good barrier cream. Now, a barrier cream is a cream that repairs your skin and also, softens your skin. Do you understand? So you're going to need a cream either like this or like this one, and then this one, this invigorating care, also can also work for you. Okay, invigorating care can also work for you. Then these are the type of creams you are going to be using as your barrier cream. That is a cream you're going to apply, then apply your lightening body lotion. Okay, now if you are someone that used to sweat, I thought I touched that in the beginning. I want to make more reference about that. If you are someone that usually sweats and you are finding this thing I'm saying now ridiculous to actually try out because you feel like you are going to sweat, how we are going to use these body lotions is to use them in little quantity. Both this one, both the cream serving as your barrier cream and your lightening body lotion. Okay, divide your normal quantity of lotion you used to take per rubbing, per application, divide it into two and take one part of this one and take one part of this other one. Okay, so that is how you are going to do it. So at the end, you are not using more body lotions on your skin, you are still using the same quantity of body lotion, but now you are using two different types of body lotion. So if you are having sensitive skin, you need a body lotion that is going to sit on your skin first before you apply your lightening body lotion on your skin. Thereby, your lightening body lotion is not going straight into your skin. Your skin is not receiving it in full force. It is going to receive it gradually because there is something sitting on your skin already before you applied that one. Now for the face, okay, you might not be able to use all these collections of body lotions I have here on your face. Now if you are using a lightening a lightening face cream, you are going to get a normal plain face cream. Face creams like Nivea face cream, face creams like Face Fact face cream, not vitamin C, just a plain face cream that is just for moisturizing and hydrating. A very, very plain face cream. So when you get your very plain face cream, you are going to apply it on your face first, then you follow up with your lightening face cream. Remember, divide the quantity of lotion you used to use or face cream you used to use, so at the end of the whole day you are still using the same quantity of the body lotion you are using. These things take time. okay, especially for those that already have green veins and all of that, and you are still bent on using your lightening cream. Okay, you are going to need to give your skin time to heal. It is going to heal eventually, but it might be slow just because you are still using the lightening cream that is causing it. But because you are using something like a barrier between your skin and the lightening lotion, one, it is not going to exacerbate that, your reactions are not going to increase, but over time they are going to start decreasing, because that effect that your skin is getting from the lightening lotion you are using, it's no longer getting it. Have you liked this video at this point? Please like this video if you have not. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, ask your questions.